The mental game, overcoming trading anxiety. Are you tired of letting fear dictate your trades? Do you feel your heart pounding as you watch the charts fluctuate? Trading anxiety is a real struggle, but it doesn't have to control you. This video will give you the tools to conquer your fears and trade with confidence. Trading anxiety is a complex beast. It's not just about the money, it's about the uncertainty, the pressure, and the fear of losing. Understanding the root causes of your anxiety is the first step towards overcoming it. What sets off your trading anxiety? Over-leveraging your positions can be a major trigger. Trading without a well-defined plan can also lead to panic. Chasing losses, hoping to recoup your money quickly, is another common pitfall. Are you trading based on emotion or a well-thought-out strategy? A solid trading foundation is your best defense against anxiety. A robust trading plan is essential. This plan should include clear entry and exit points for every trade. Risk management strategies like stop-loss orders are crucial for protecting your capital. Position sizing should always align with your risk tolerance. Think of it as building a fortress against the emotional storms of the market. Mastering your mindset is key to managing trading anxiety. There are several techniques you can use to calm your nerves. Mindfulness practices can help you stay present and focused. Deep breathing exercises can quickly reduce stress. Visualization techniques can help you prepare for different scenarios. Detach yourself from the outcome of each individual trade. Focus on the process, not just the potential profit. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't go it alone. Seeking support is a sign of strength, not weakness. Connect with other traders who understand what you're going through. Join online communities where you can share your experiences and learn from others. Consider working with a trading coach who can provide personalized guidance. Analyze your mistakes and learn from them. Losses are inevitable, but they can be valuable lessons for future success. It's time to take control of your mental game and trade with confidence. Download our free trading anxiety checklist to identify your triggers and develop coping strategies. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on mastering the mental side of trading. Share your anxieties and strategies in the comments below. Let's build a supportive community and conquer the markets together.